think you've experienced the ultimate touring motorcycle? Wait until you meet the 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited, a masterpiece of power, luxury, and innovation redefining what it means to rule the road. Before going any further, we glance at the updates on the official Harley-Davidson website. We only found the 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited model, which means the latest model has not yet received a detailed update.
The available colors are Billiard Gray, Vivid Black, Sharkskin Blue, and Red Rock Vivid Black. Therefore, we are very enthusiastic about increasing information about the 2025 Road Glide Limited by offering a new, fresher look and color, even though this is not official.
A symphony of power and performance. At the heart of the Road Glide Limited resides the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that delivers exhilarating performance. This potent V-twin engine churns out abundant torque, propelling the bike forward with effortless authority. Whether cruising down the highway or conquering challenging mountain passes, the Road Glide Limited delivers a thrilling ride.
Unmatched comfort for miles of smiles. Long-distance touring is effortless on the Road Glide Limited. The signature Batwing fairing provides exceptional wind protection, reducing rider fatigue and allowing hours of comfortable cruising. Premium leather seats, ample storage space, and advanced suspension further enhance the rider and passenger experience, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey.
Technology that connects. The 2025 Road Glide Limited has a state-of-the-art infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display. This intuitive system provides seamless integration with smartphones, allowing riders to stay connected while on the move. Navigation, music streaming, and communication features are all easily accessible, enhancing both convenience and safety.
A statement of style. The Road Glide Limited is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of style. Its bold design, featuring the iconic shark nose fairing, commands attention wherever it goes. A range of premium finishes and custom paint options allows riders to personalize their machine, making it unique.
The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited is the ultimate machine for discerning riders who demand the best. It's a testament to Harley-Davidson's legacy of innovation and a symbol of the freedom of the open road.